are doing the most. Beautiful glossiness going on right here. Are diving into this holiday season series, doing a little bit of everything, some festive shades. We're doing out of the box colors. I want to play with glitter, glam, glossiness. You know how it's gonna go down here. So if you are interested in recreating this look right here for the holidays, make sure to subscribe, turn on your notifications, because this is one of many videos coming your way. If you're interested in mesmerizing the world this holiday season, make sure to keep on watching. Alright guys, I already prepped and primed the eye. We're gonna go in with some Coastal Scent Hot Pot and some of 100 Karat Cosmetics pressed pigments. I wanted to make the transition of this dramatic eye kind of like a light peach pink wash. I'm gonna go in with Paprika, lay down that background shade. Alright, so next I'm gonna go in with Deep Roast, and I just went ahead and went in a little at a time. You could get a lighter brown so that you can start. I just kind of wanted to jump right in. So it does take a little bit more blending time, but as long as you keep it focused on that section that you want it, it should be blendable. So I'm trying to pull all my eyeshadows towards the outer edge because I am creating like cat eye effect. I'm not grabbing any more dark brown because I want the inner corner section to have just a light wash of dark brown. So whatever is left on my brush, I'm just kind of bringing it back and forth. Originally, I was going to keep it like this, but once we went in with this like amazing shade, I mean, we just had to go dramatic, and this is a holiday season, so it's okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease. Since I have hooded eyes, I went ahead and cut the crease just a tad bit above so that when I open my eye, you can still see a glittery portion, but you can totally keep it in the lid if you want a less dramatic look. So with the flat brush, I just want to lay it down at the bottom first and then kind of work my way like the other eye. I'm gonna go ahead and set the eye with the eyeshadow I'm gonna use already. So this is 100 Karat Cosmetics So Chic. This is a beautiful like champagne-y silver gold, and I'm gonna go in with a flat brush and just pack it on. So now that we have that laid down, I'm gonna go in with that dark brown shade, and I'm going to start in the outer edge kind of to darken it one more time. And I'm gonna start working the product like towards the shiny part, not going all the way in with this brush. Gets to the shiny part, I'm just kind of placing the product, because when it comes to like a shiny pigment, you don't want it to run into your matte shade. I mean, a little will, but a full on like dip into it. I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. crease brush. This is really like pointy and it's lightweight, so I'm gonna start working that kind of cut crease cat eye situation happen, and I'm gonna put more on my brush and just kind of start shaping. With the same brush, I'm gonna go in with that Incognito shade, the black, any black that you have, and I want to start placing it close to the lash line so that we can darken up. Go ahead and switch brushes to an angled brush, and I'm going to create my smoky liner already. I want to have a clean blending brush available so that I can make sure that go back and clean the edges. So once I kind of got both eyes kind of even, I want to add a little extra sparkle. Like I said, this shade on the lid is a midway between silver and gold, so I got both shades. I'm simply going to run a couple of lines across the eye. I don't want a whole lot of it, I just kind of want to accent when I move the eye. So I'm going to run a couple of lines from the center going outward, and I'm going to go in with a gold. So I went in with the LA Color Champagne highlighter because I wanted kind of like that gold silver effect, so I layered that on to get that glossiness. So I'm gonna go in with Paprika and just set down that pinky base. We're gonna go in with Mr.Bing. I know I use this for like every brown look. I just like the red tint in this liner. So we're gonna spice it up. We're gonna go in with a purpley shade. This is Maroon Berry. This is a Coastal Sun Hot Pot. And I wanna keep that towards the outer edge. So I'm really enjoying this red purpley tint. We're gonna go in and add a metallic. And I'm just, you know, feeling fancy. Go in with this red metallic shade. This is Fiery from 100 Karat Cosmetics. This is beautiful. Go ahead and wet my hand or my brush, whatever you want to use. I want to bring it to about halfway and see why I named it Fiery. It's just this beautiful, beautiful shade. I'm going to go ahead and use this LA Color Strobing Powder in Champagne. I'm going to go ahead and put it right there in the inner corner just so that we could have that kind of like silvery pop in the middle. I picked up one of these. These are super duper affordable, perfect for the holiday season. This was $3.99 in HEB, and in Walmart it was $5.99. It has a matte liquid lipstick, a lip liner, and then a matte metallic, and the other set has a lip gloss. I'm gonna do the liquid lip. What I like about this little set is that it has a retractable lip liner. So this shade is called Cocoa Charm, and it's just like a nice deep tone. Alright guys, so that is the finished look. I am in love with this look for the holidays. Glossiness, you didn't overdo the eyes, but there is lots of things going on, mesmerizing, enchanting. And you look across the table or you go on the dance floor, whatever you're doing this holiday season, you look glamorous doing it. I'm really enjoying all of these shades. If you're interested in this beautiful lid shade and bottom shade, they are from 100 Karat Cosmetics line. That is my line. Also make sure to follow me on all my social media, Instagram, Snapchat, and Facebook. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notifications because the holiday series begins. Like always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.